Joan Buenaventura, 16 years old. In my age, bilang isang Tomasino, kailangan major energy. Diba? We have so many jobs where we sit most of the time. So, chances are limited to be physically active at work. Kaya tara, exercise tayo. Sibon! 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 Where are you? Ayan pala Sibon eh.
Nakakapagod eh. Anong gagawin ko eh? Disrupt pag-exercise.
Baka kumayat ka na niya.
Tama.
Hi, I'm Hazel.
Hi, I'm Bon.
Hi, I'm Pinay.
I'm Gladys.
And I'm Erica.
And I'm Mikay. And last but not the least, I'm Kanan.
And we are from University of Santo Tomas, College of Commerce and Business Administration, Group 3 of MNC 12, under Mr. Jerome Porto. And we are to promote
F-I-C-N-E-S-S.
Fitness!
So sit back and relax. Kaya, isa-stop na namin. Pero hindi pa dahil marami pa kaming video ipapakita sa inyo.